Kikuyu musician Ambicious has been thrown into deep mourning following the death of her daughter Tatiana. The sad news was first broken on social media by her best friend and also a musician, Joy Macharia. Joy took on her Facebook page to announce that baby Tatiana has rested. And this is what she wrote. Hello everyone, it's sad to announce the death of our little angel Tatiana, daughter to Ambicious Muini, Naivasha. May the Lord give us the strength to accept this and let all together for our God. And she concluded by saying, may the little angel rest in peace. Ambicious fans and also Joy Macharia fans took the opportunity and sent their condolences. All in all, my condolences to Ambicious family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.